Auditors play a critical role in ensuring transparency, compliance, and integrity within organizations. Ethical behavior is essential to maintain trust, uphold professional standards, and provide unbiased audit results. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. Why ethics matter in auditing. 2. Key ethical responsibilities of an auditor. 3. Common ethical challenges and how to handle them. 4. Best practices for maintaining audit integrity. By following ethical principles, auditors can strengthen confidence in the audit process and promote accountability. 1. Why ethics matter in auditing. Ethical conduct ensures that audit findings are accurate, objective, and free from bias. Protects organizations from fraud, misrepresentation, and regulatory violations. Builds trust among stakeholders, regulators, and the public. Prevents conflicts of interest that could compromise the audit's credibility. 2 key ethical responsibilities of an auditor. Integrity. Auditors must be honest, transparent, and free from deception. Objectivity and independence. Auditors should be neutral and free from influence. Confidentiality. Audit information must be kept private and secure. Professional competence. Auditors must maintain up-to-date knowledge of regulations and industry standards. Due professional care. Auditors must conduct audits thoroughly and carefully, using sound judgment when evaluating evidence. 3. Common ethical challenges and how to handle them. Pressure to modify findings. Solution: stick to facts and refer to professional standards. Conflicts of interest. Solution: disclose relationships and remove oneself from biased audits. Misuse of confidential information. Solution: follow data protection policies and avoid unauthorized disclosures. Lack of professional competence. Solution: pursue continuous education and seek guidance from senior auditors. 4. Best practices for maintaining audit integrity. Follow international audit standards, ISO 19011, IFAC Code of Ethics. Remain impartial and report findings based on facts, not personal opinions. Refuse gifts, favors, or incentives that could create bias. Keep records of audit decisions to support findings and defend against ethical challenges. Seek guidance from professional bodies when facing ethical dilemmas. Key takeaways. Ethical conduct ensures trust, fairness, and credibility in auditing. Integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, competence, and due care are the core responsibilities of an auditor. Common ethical challenges like pressure, conflicts of interest, and confidentiality breaches must be handled carefully. Best practices like following standards, refusing incentives, and maintaining documentation strengthen audit integrity. By adhering to ethical responsibilities, auditors help organizations maintain transparency, accountability, and long-term success. In the next lesson, we'll explore risk-based auditing and how it enhances audit effectiveness.